ang paa talaga, isang lang kaya mag-ipon. Dahil na-mention ko kanina, to secure yourself, sabi, nasitabi mo sa akin, 10 years na. Ano sabi ko kanina? Sir, Mr. Client, Mr. Client, it's up to you to save or to put trade in here. It's your option, but it's not my recommendation. Again, kinopose ko po yan. Option yung tumingin, pero hindi ko nire-recommend since the product is designed for continuous. Pero reality check, kung ikaw yung magsisave sa bangko, hanggang kailan ka ba magsisave? Yun lang naman yung pinabalik ko sa kanya. Ganyan kami talaga. So, same lang din po yung approach na mga ng product na yun sa inyo. But anong difference ng savings at saka ng insurance? Yung savings mo, you can take it out anytime, but it will not be sufficient for sure, right? Samantala kami, hindi nyo naman tinanggal yung